Hello everyone, I'm Kelly Barnett. Welcome to my channel Instant Healthcare, where I share simple tips, expert advice, and motivation to help you live a healthier, happier life. Today, we're diving into a super important topic, anxiety disorders in young adults. We all experience anxiety sometimes, right? But when it starts to feel overwhelming or interferes with your daily life, it might be something more. Knowing the signs early on can make a huge difference. So, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. Did you know that anxiety disorders are the most common mental illness in the US? That's why it's so important to talk about. Recognizing the early signs of anxiety is crucial because it allows individuals to seek help and support sooner rather than later. Early intervention can significantly improve treatment outcomes and help individuals develop healthy coping mechanisms. By understanding the early indicators of anxiety, we can create a more supportive and informed environment for young adults who may be struggling. So what are some of the red flags? Well, anxiety can manifest in different ways, but here are some common symptoms: excessive worrying, feeling restless or on edge, difficulty concentrating, irritability, muscle tension, and sleep disturbances. It's important to remember that everyone experiences anxiety differently. What might be a minor inconvenience for one person could be completely debilitating for another. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms and they're starting to impact your life, it's essential to reach out for help. Let me give you some real-life examples. Anxiety is more than just a fleeting feeling of worry or nervousness. It can be a persistent, overwhelming presence that affects every aspect of a person's life. Imagine a student who's constantly worried about their grades, even if they're doing well academically. This student might spend countless hours studying, not because they need to, but because they fear failure so intensely. They might avoid social activities, miss out on sleep, and even neglect their health, all in the name of maintaining their academic performance. Or consider a young professional who's always afraid of making mistakes at work. This fear can lead to sleepless nights, where they lie awake replaying every interaction and task from the day, worrying about what they might have done wrong. During the day, this anxiety can make it difficult to focus, leading to a cycle of decreased productivity and increased stress. These are just a couple of examples of how anxiety can manifest in everyday life. It's not always about big, scary events. Sometimes, it's the little things that can trigger anxiety and make it hard to cope. For some, even the thought of a minor inconvenience or a small change in routine can be enough to set off a wave of anxiety. It's not always about big, scary events. Sometimes it's the little things that can trigger anxiety and make it hard to cope. For instance, a simple task like making a phone call or attending a meeting can become a source of intense stress. The fear of being judged or making a mistake can be paralyzing, making it difficult to perform even the most basic tasks. Remember, you're not alone in this. Anxiety is a common experience, and it's important to recognize that it's okay to feel this way. There are many others who understand what you're going through and are willing to offer support. Millions of people experience anxiety, and there's no shame in seeking help. Whether it's through therapy, support groups, or simply talking to a friend or family member, reaching out for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. There are many resources available to help you manage your anxiety and improve your quality of life. Don't hesitate to take that first step towards getting the support you need. Section 5. Navigating anxiety tips and tricks. Anxiety can be overwhelming, but with the right strategies, you can manage it effectively. Let's dive into some practical tips and tricks that can help you navigate through anxious moments. Now let's talk about some things you can do to manage anxiety. One of the most effective ways to combat anxiety is through mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness can help you stay grounded and present in the moment. This can be as simple as taking a few minutes each day to focus on your breathing or engaging in activities like yoga and journaling. First and foremost, self-care is key. Taking care of yourself is not just about physical health, but also about mental and emotional well-being. Make sure to set aside time each day to do something that makes you feel good, whether it's reading a book, taking a bath, or simply relaxing at home. Make sure you're eating healthy, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly. A balanced diet can have a significant impact on your mood and energy levels. Regular exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. And don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. It can make a world of difference in how you handle stress and anxiety. It's also important to find healthy ways to cope with stress, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even progressive muscle relaxation. These techniques can help calm your mind and reduce the physical symptoms of anxiety, like a racing heart or tense muscles, or spending time in nature. Nature has a calming effect on the mind and body. Whether it's a walk in the park, a hike in the mountains, or simply sitting by a lake, being in nature can help you feel more relaxed and at peace. Remember, managing anxiety is a journey, not a destination. It's important to be patient with yourself and recognize that progress takes time. There will be ups and downs, but each step you take brings you closer to a more balanced and peaceful state of mind. There will be good days and bad days, and that's perfectly normal. It's okay to have moments of doubt or fear. What's important is how you respond to these moments. Allow yourself to feel your emotions without judgment, and remind yourself that it's all part of the process. But the important thing is to keep going, and never give up on yourself. Stay determined and keep pushing forward, even when things get tough. Remember, you have the strength and resilience to overcome any challenge that comes your way. Believe in yourself and take it one day at a time. Section 6. Don't suffer in silence. Seeking professional help. If you're struggling to manage your anxiety on your own, please know that seeking professional help is a sign of strength, not weakness. It's important to recognize that everyone needs support at different points in their lives, and reaching out for help is a courageous step towards healing and self-improvement. Anxiety can be overwhelming, and trying to handle it all by yourself can sometimes make it worse. Professional help can provide you with a safe space to express your feelings and concerns without judgment. A therapist can provide you with the tools and support you need to understand and manage your anxiety. They are trained to listen and offer guidance tailored to your specific situation. Therapy sessions can help you gain new perspectives on your challenges and equip you with practical strategies to cope with anxiety in your daily life. Whether it's through cognitive behavioral techniques, mindfulness practices, or other therapeutic approaches, a therapist can help you navigate your journey towards mental well-being. They can teach you coping mechanisms, help you identify triggers, and provide you with the knowledge to understand how anxiety affects your mind and body. By learning about your triggers, you can start to anticipate and manage your reactions more effectively. Coping mechanisms might include breathing exercises, relaxation techniques, or even lifestyle changes that promote better mental health, and work with you to develop a personalized treatment plan. This plan will be tailored to your unique needs and circumstances, ensuring that you receive the most effective support possible. It might include regular therapy sessions, homework assignments to practice new skills, and possibly even recommendations for medication if necessary. The goal is to create a comprehensive approach that addresses all aspects of your anxiety. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. Group therapy can also be a valuable resource, offering a sense of community and shared experience. Connecting with others who are facing similar challenges can provide comfort and reduce feelings of isolation. In group settings, you can learn from the experiences of others and gain additional insights into managing anxiety. There are people who care about you and want to help. Your friends, family, and loved ones can be a source of support and encouragement. Don't hesitate to lean on them when you need to. They can offer a listening ear, a comforting presence, and practical assistance as you work through your anxiety. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, and there is a network of support available to you. Section 7. Your mental health matters. In a world that often prioritizes productivity and achievement, it's easy to neglect our mental health. But the truth is, our mental well-being is just as important as our physical health. Taking care of your mental health is not selfish, it's essential. When we prioritize our mental health, we're better equipped to handle life's challenges, build strong relationships, and live fulfilling lives. So be kind to yourself, listen to your body, and don't hesitate to seek help when you need it. Section 8. Remember, you're not alone. One of the most isolating things about anxiety is that it can make you feel like you're the only one going through it. But that's simply not true. Millions of people around the world experience anxiety, and there's a whole community out there who understands what you're going through. Don't be afraid to reach out to friends, family, or support groups. Sharing your story can be incredibly empowering and help you realize that you're not alone in this journey. Section 9. Let's keep the conversation going. I hope this video has helped to shed some light on the early signs of anxiety disorder in young adults. Remember, knowledge is power, And the more we talk about mental health, the less stigma there will be. Let's continue the conversation in the comments below. Share your experiences, ask questions, and let's support each other. Section 10. Take care of yourselves and each other. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, you are strong, you are capable, and you are worthy of love and support. Take care of yourselves and each other. Section 11. Until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, peace out.